Yo, what's up guys? Andy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the brand new Strike app update. We've got the app up here on the screen, so we'll show how to use it in a little bit. But first we're going to go through some other things like the new website and Jack Mallers' keynote from over the weekend. So here's the brand new Strike website. Got a little bit of a logo change and some brand changes throughout. They basically said they want it to be more punk, which is cool. It's whatever. They've done more research on like a global market. So if that's what makes sense, then that's what they should go for. So they've better defined their mission, which is basically allow people to use Bitcoin and cash globally. And they've even deprioritized the card. They were gonna have like a credit card. They've deprioritized that to focus on this other stuff. And you'll see those updates reflected in the app when I show that in a little bit here. I'm just gonna go through this real quick. Better money, money without borders, best way to Bitcoin, build on Lightning Network. So it's a very focused app. Bitcoin and cash, and they want people to use it globally. And this is Jack Mallers' presentation from the Bitcoin conference over the weekend. I'm just gonna summarize this real quick, but you should go in and watch this entire 30-minute video. You know, put it on like 1.5 speed so it goes a little quicker, but he gives a ton of good information. I'm very confident in being a Strike user and knowing that this is the best place to do Bitcoin after watching this presentation. So he talks about previously how Strike is only in the US, as you can see on this graphic on the left side of the screen. Then they announced kind of a huge announcement, which is this right here. Been able to open an office in El Salvador. And that's huge for them because it allows them to move from just the US to start to be worldwide, to start to be global. And now Strike app is available in all of these highlighted locations, and they want to continue to expand to everything that isn't highlighted, obviously. So Strike went from just the US to now being available to 3 billion people to download. So now 3 billion people, almost half of the population, will have access to the Strike app, have access to Bitcoin, have access to these cash features. And I believe this crypto app is available to more people than any other crypto app, so that's why it's a pretty big deal. You know, he goes on to talk about some more updates in Bitcoin and their mission and everything. I highly recommend it. Just come in here, watch the whole thing, but those are kind of some of the main points. Let's get right into this app here. So brand new design, everything is new. You can see they removed the tab bar on the bottom of the screen. So this is the home screen now. And basically this button on the bottom allows you to toggle between cash and Bitcoin. So I'm on cash. If I want to request cash or send cash, deposit, withdraw from my bank, I can do that all right here on this screen. I'm just gonna say my opinion a little bit. I think it's a little over designed. You know, these buttons are a little bit weird, but maybe people in other countries globally have different types of devices, so they're thinking more of a global perspective. But just my perspective, it feels over designed and a little bit weird when it could be simpler. But anyways, here's the cash screen. Here's the Bitcoin screen. So like I said, this toggle on the bottom, you switch between which one you want to be on, and you can come in here and do whatever you need to do. Up here in the top right, you're going to see a little clock thing. That'll show all of your recent transactions. Next to that is going to be your profile. And also with your profile name, you're going to be able to use that on the Bitcoin Lightning Network to send transactions, I believe. So it's kind of like an email address. And then once you're in the profile screen, also up on the top right, you can get support and your settings. Then when you go into settings, you'll be able to see a lot of the limits and updates and stuff like that. Let's go back to the Bitcoin screen. I just want to go through a couple things here. How to buy Bitcoin the same way, basically just an updated design with the interface. So we'll go ahead and buy my $1 Bitcoin for the day, just like that. Bought some. You can toggle between dollar amount and Bitcoin amount there, what it displays as. Just tap on it. I'll show you how to withdraw as well. So now the withdraw is going to be down here on the bottom. You can tap on that. I've already gone ahead and copied my Bitcoin address where I want to send my Bitcoin to. So I just need to tap the paste button on the bottom. A little bit of design update for that paste button to make it more noticeable, like that. Tap allow paste, and then I'm just gonna tap on max. It's gonna show the amount and the Bitcoin address that I'm sending to. This transaction may take up to 1 hour. Tap confirm on the bottom. And there we go, withdraw initiated. And that Bitcoin is on its way to my other wallet where I store my Bitcoin more securely. If you're using any crypto app, you you should always just use that for purchasing and then send your crypto to a more safer, secure wallet. That's what I always say, and Strike even promotes that as well. If you check out like their Twitter and stuff like that, you can tap on this chart, get a more detailed view, go to some of these other time frames. That's pretty cool. You can set up reoccurring purchases there. All the same stuff within the app, just an updated design. So there you have it, an overview of the new updated Strike app and brand. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.